How to build an online store on Shopify in 2026. Shopify remains one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in 2026 because it combines ease of use with powerful tools for selling online. Whether you're launching your first business or moving an existing one online, Shopify allows you to create a professional store without needing to code. This guide walks you through the entire process, from planning to launch and beyond. 1. Plan your store before you sign up. Before touching Shopify, clarify what you're building. This saves time and prevents costly changes later. Start by defining your product: physical goods, digital products, subscriptions, or services. Your target customer, who they are, what problem you solve, and how they buy. Your brand, name, tone, colors, and values. Your pricing, product costs, profit margin, shipping, and taxes. In 2026, competition is intense. Stores that succeed usually focus on a specific niche, rather than trying to sell everything to everyone. 2. Create a Shopify account. Go to Shopify's website and start a free trial. Shopify typically offers a trial period, followed by a low-cost starter phase. During setup, Shopify will ask store name. This becomes your temporary .myshopify.com domain, country and currency, type of products you plan to sell. Experience level beginner or experienced. You can change most of this later, so don't stress too much at this stage. 3. Choose the right Shopify plan. In 2026, Shopify offers several plans designed for different business sizes. Basic, best for new stores with low volume. Grow, standard, for stores scaling up with higher sales. Advanced, for high volume stores needing advanced analytics. Plus, enterprise level solution for large brands. Most beginners should start with basic and upgrade only. When sales justify it, Shopify makes upgrading seamless. 4. Pick a theme and design your store. Your theme controls how your store looks and feels. Shopify's theme store includes free and paid options. When choosing a theme, prioritize mobile responsiveness. Most shoppers buy on phones. Fast loading speed, clear product layouts. Customization flexibility. In 2026, minimal and clean designs perform best. Avoid clutter. After installing a theme, add your logo. Set brand colors and fonts. Design your homepage sections, hero image, featured products. Testimonials, create navigation menus. Shopify's theme editor uses drag and drop tools, so no coding is required. 5. Add your products properly. Products are the heart of your store. Each product page should be optimized for clarity and conversion. For every product, include a clear, benefit-focused title, high-quality images, multiple angles, lifestyle shots. A compelling description that explains why someone should buy. Pricing and compare. Add pricing if applicable. Vary in size, color, material, inventory tracking. In 2026, shoppers expect rich media. Use short videos or 3D previews if possible, especially for physical products. 6. Set up payments. Shopify supports many payment options and offering flexibility increases conversions. At minimum, enable Shopify Payments Credit, debit cards, digital wallets, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Shop Pay, PayPal. Depending on your market, you may also add buy now, pay later options. Local payment methods ensure your store currency matches your target audience to avoid confusion. 7. Configure shipping and delivery. Shipping can make or break your store. Customers abandon carts if shipping is unclear or expensive. Steps to set up shipping. Define shipping zones. Countries or regions. Set rates free shipping. Flat rate or calculated rates. Connect shipping carriers if needed. Decide on delivery times. In 2026, free shipping thresholds, for example, free shipping over $50 are extremely common and effective. 8. Set up taxes and legal pages. Shopify can automatically calculate taxes in many regions, but you're still responsible for compliance. Make sure you enable automatic tax calculation where available. Understand your local tax obligations. Add required legal pages. Privacy policy, terms of service, refund policy, shipping policy. Shopify provides templates, but you should customize them to reflect your business accurately. 9. Install essential apps, but don't overdo it. Shopify's app ecosystem is powerful, but too many apps can slow your store. Common app categories: email marketing, reviews and ratings, upsells and bundles, analytics and tracking, customer support chat, help desk. Install only what you truly need at the beginning. You can always add more later as your store grows. 10. Optimize for SEO and performance. In 2026, organic traffic is still crucial. Basic SEO steps in Shopify: edit page titles and meta descriptions. Use clean URLs, optimize image sizes and alt text. Create product collections with keyword focus. Add a blog for content marketing. Speed matters. Choose a lightweight theme. Compress images and remove unused apps to keep your store fast. 11. Test everything before launch. Before going live, place yourself in the customer's shoes. Before going live, place yourself in the customer's shoes. Test mobile and desktop layouts, checkout process, payment methods, shipping calculations, email notifications, broken links. Place a test order using Shopify's test payment mode to ensure everything works smoothly. 12. Launch your store. When you're ready, remove password protection. Connect your custom domain. Announce your launch via email and social media. Your store doesn't need to be perfect at launch. Shopify stores improve continuously based on customer behavior and feedback. 13. Market and grow your store. After launch, focus on traffic and conversion. Popular marketing methods in 2026 include social media content, short-form video especially, email marketing and automation, influencer partnerships, paid ads, search and social, loyalty and referral programs. Use Shopify's analytics to track traffic sources, conversion rates, average order value, customer lifetime value. Data-driven decisions are what separates successful stores from failing ones. 14. Maintain, improve, and scale. Running a Shopify store is an ongoing process. Regularly update product listings, improve product photos and descriptions, test new pricing or bundles, improve customer support, analyze performance metrics. As your business grows, you can expand to international markets, multiple sales channels, wholesale or B2B, subscription models. Conclusion: building an online store on Shopify in 2026 is easier than ever, but success still depends on thoughtful planning, strong branding, and consistent optimization. Shopify handles the technical complexity, allowing you to focus on your product and customers. If you approach the process step-by-step, plan carefully, design with intention, test thoroughly, and market consistently, you can build a professional, scalable online store capable of competing in today's crowded e-commerce landscape.